Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso, gumikan nining pandemya sa COVID-19, usa sa labihang naapektuhan gyud ang sektor sa turismo. Sama na lang sa atong silingang lalawigan sa Bohol nga usa sa mga ilag yun nga gipasigarbo na tourist destination dinhi sa nasod. Pangumustahon ta karon ang mga pagpangandam nila preparasyon niining new normal sa tourism industry. Makauban nato ang Provincial Tourism Officer sa lalawigan sa Bohol, si Ma'am Josephine Cabaros. Good morning, Ma'am Josephine.
Okay, good morning, Nico. Salamat kaayo sa pag-imbitar, no, nga could grace your morning show. Ug moto, daghang salamat og may buntag.
Thank you so much po, ma'am, sa pagsanong sa among imbitasyon. Kumusta na, ma'am, ang lalawigan sa Bohol sa atong mga nasinati nga suliran karong panahon sa COVID-19 sa sektor sa turismo?
Tourism sector, mo magid ang badly hit, no. Being considered as a non-essential, no, na industry. I mean, despite the fact that it is bringing in the bigger money into the coffers of government, pero I mean, the same as also out the world, no, mao man gyud nahitabo nga tourism is really badly hit, and it is also true with Bohol. And I think, of course, Cebu and all the other, kakita man sa Visayas, no, ang murag Center for Tourism, no, the Philippines. So murag napati gyud nato mura og daghan gyud sa atong mga players in the industry ang naapektuhan gyud kaayo.
Ma-quantify na ninyo, ma'am, kay sa miaging buwan si Governor Yap as of the end of June, mi estimate man og katong 1.1 billion ang losses bale sa tourism industry sa Bohol. Midako pa ba ni nga figure base sa inyong estimates?
Comparing the data of these years to that of the same date of last year, 2019, naatay murag negative 81.45%. That is how badly hit Bohol was in terms of tourist arrivals, no? Basing on 2019 na
Data.
first quarter data, and then multiplied by the daily spending of the tourists, the domestic tourists, it amounted to a billion plus, 1.5 billion actually, and a little bit more. And for foreign tourist receipts on top for the first quarter is amounts to like 2.4 billion as well. And tourist receipts for combining both the domestic and the foreign tourists, tourist receipts from both markets, no, it has like amounted to 4.6 billion. And then as to how much we have lost just for the first quarter, we have ang among projection for the first quarter of 2020 should have been 501,282 already, no, ang dapita na unta ang atong total arrival. However, we were able to have only for 2020 first quarter only 81,000. So dako gyud kay siya next disparity, no, sa among projected a projected na number. We're looking at a revenue loss for the first quarter alone of about for both markets, no, foreign and domestic market, for about 5.2 billion.
Pero lately, ma'am, kamo sa Bohol, especially si Governor Yap, is very optimistic ani sa atong tourism sector. Murag soft opening na gani kuno, ma'am, sa pipila ka sites like Panglao. Can you tell us more about this, Ma'am Josephine?
Yes, Nick. We know magod nga tourism is an industry that is really very resilient. Give us time and we will bounce back. We have to open because this is a way of really preparing people, the industry players, to be apt, no, to be apt to the safety and health protocols that need to be put in place for the new normal. There is fear on the market. nga ari sila sa Bohol, si Bako, masakit sila. And also fear for us Boholans would say if they come, they might bring along COVID with them and we might get contaminated. No? We have come up with that is what we call the purple, purple zone. If you come to Bohol, you stay in this purple zone, and we are very sure that you will be safe in here. No? So, but then if you go out of this purple zone, wala kami pakaalam sa inyo.
Slowly but surely ta sa turismo, Ma'am Josephine. Finally, Ma'am, mensahe nimo sa atong katawhan, mga Bulanon, o sa mga turista sab nga nag-consider nga mobisita sa Bohol, labi na nga karon murag siguro daghan karon ang nangandoy gud, Ma'am, nga mobiyahe when all of this is over, di ba?
You'll have that ultimate Bohol experience of how we wanted to share to you our hospitality and the service that only Bohol has. No?
Wow.
You and I.
Tinuod.
That's all.
Maka-attest good ani. Daghan kayong salamat, Ma'am Josephine. Thank you so much for your time karong buntaga, Ma'am, ug daghan mig nakatunan kanimo. Thank you, and we hope to visit Bohol soon, of course. Daghan na gyud ang naghinam-hinam. Thank you, Ma'am. God bless you.